let's talk about high touch areas you should be cleaning your home. I'm showing you using Odoban sanitizing disinfecting spray and a yellow microfiber cloth. I use the yellow for other surfaces to eliminate cross-contamination. Here's the list we're going to be following and some honorable mentions, so come clean with me. First thing we're going to be talking about is all door handles, like every handle that you touch, even your thermostats, we touch those quite often, and garage openers. You also want to make sure you get those faucet handles and the faucets themselves. And believe it or not, even all of our appliance handles and surfaces. Sometimes we touch things and unconsciously don't even wash our hands or whatever it may be. That's not to scare you, but to just inform you how often a lot of areas accumulate germs. We're going back to the entrances of our homes and making sure that we try to clean the doorknobs and front facings and all that stuff as we enter the house as often as we can. You want to make sure you clean the back of chairs and making sure you avoid any fabric surfaces. That's just an area that's, of course, hard to clean. So make sure you focus on hard surfaces that you can clean. And all the kids that you have, I'm showing you literally the layout of what you should be cleaning in a baby crib, but most importantly, keeping your toys and stuff like that cleaned, as well your light fixtures. So yeah, I touched a lot of things. So I hope you got a lot of value. And in the meantime, see you in the next video. Take care.